Welcome to today's brand new edition. So in this video today, I have an interesting uh, topic to share for you guys, which is how you can make money online with Gramfree app, with Gramfree website. So Gramfree is a website whereby you can make money online by referring your friends to the Gramfree website and also watching videos which gives you gram for watching a video. So once you reach a minimum of 500 gram, then you can be able to withdraw your money. So as you can see, this is the gram free app or gram free website. As you can see, every task that you perform, it will read on this same status bar. It will read here. So let's check it out. If you don't have the gram free app, you gram if you haven't registered with the gram free website, you go to their website and register. You sign up there. So as you can see, you can make money by watching videos on this gram free website. You go to gramfree.net and sign up. If you don't have account with them, you sign up. After you verify your account, then you can watch videos on this gram free app. So every video that you watch, you earn 0.1 gram. So these are the videos. You can also refer your friends to join the gram free app. This is the gram free app. Once you watch these videos, you earn 1 gram. So once you reach 500 gram, you can be able to withdraw your money with this gram free app. So as you can see, gram free app is a website where you can make money online. It's just like a Bitcoin. You refer friends on this gram free app. This is the referrals. You use your referral link to refer your friends. You copy the referral link and paste it on your WhatsApp or Twitter or Facebook or Instagram or your YouTube channel. You will see the total invited people that you invite here. You see the total. So everything is here, and you can withdraw your money once it reach 500 gram. You can withdraw through Bitcoin. You can either withdraw through Bitcoin or PayPal or Visa or MasterCard. You choose the one that you want to withdraw. So as you can see, it's pretty much easy making money with this gram free app. You can check the gram free app, gram free website on gramfree.net. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you find out this video interesting. If you find out this video very interesting, do subscribe to my channel please, to be updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.